Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the any postgraduates as well as the any graduates. And coming to the postgraduates, even though if you are a fresher, then no problem guys, you can apply for these positions. And all these are the permanent government jobs or the vacancies. So with any post graduation, even though if you are a fresher, you can earn up to 1,77,500 rupees per month. And with any graduation, 1,12,400 rupees per month, and you can apply from any state all over the India. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your requirements is not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement or the subject in the comment section. So if I got any recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phone, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out guys. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the Central University of Gujarat. So from this Central University, here we got the huge recruitment notifications for the different disciplines. Okay, so employment notification, advertisement for the non-teaching and other academic posts. And the Central University of Gujarat invites online application in the prescribed format from eligible Indian nationals for appointment by the direct recruitment for the Group A, Group B and Group C, non-teaching and other academic posts. So following are the important dates for applications. The date of commencement of online application is 30th 9 2021, that means September. Okay, and coming to the last date of online application is 29th October 2021. That means just 2 to 3 days back we got this notification guys. And the last date of receipt of hard copy of online application along with all the self-attested copies is 12th November 2021 up to evening 5:30. Fine. So remember these important dates here. And few more notes are also given here. So you please check down guys. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate, correct and the in details, you have to officially visit the website of this one. Okay. So coming to the designations here, finance officer, controller of examination, librarian, deputy librarian, assistant registrar. So whatever the post graduation, even though fresher, you can apply for the position of the assistant registrar guys. And here you may get up to 56,100 to 1,77,500 rupees per month, and no need of experience also for this one. And assistant librarian, Hindi officer, section officer, assistant, private secretary, personal assistant, professional assistant library, Hindi translator, security inspector, upper divisional clerk, lower divisional clerk, Hindi typist. Okay, so like this the 17 different designations are there, and out of this one, most of the vacancies are with any graduation you can apply. Anyhow, we will see out of all these 17 vacancies, we will see the eligibility conditions guys. So coming to the finance officer, master's degree with 15 years of experience must be required. And coming to the controller of examination, 57 years is the age limit, and preferably below, and master's degree with 15 years of experience is required. Coming to the librarian, age limit is preferably below 57 years and the master's degree and 10 years of experience is required. And coming to the deputy librarian, essential master's degree in the library science or information science or documentation science with 55%, 8 years of experience is required. And assistant registrar, okay, so 40 years age limit, and the essential qualifications are master's degree with at least 55% of marks or an equal grade in a point scale wherever a grading system is followed. It is only the requirement, essential requirement, and desirable means if you are having the experience, then it will be the added advantage. Fine. So this one I mentioned in my thumbnail guys. Okay, any post graduation, even though fresher, assistant registrar post is there, you can apply for this position. Okay, and the amount is up to nearly 1,77,000. Fine. And coming to the assistant librarian, master's degree in the library science, information or the document science, at least 55%, and the consistent good academic record as well as the NET qualification or the CSIR select qualification is required. Fine. And coming to the Hindi officer, so master's degree of recognized university in Hindi with English as a compulsory, or master's degree of recognized university in English with Hindi as a compulsory, or master's degree of a recognized university in subject other than Hindi or English with Hindi medium and English as a compulsory, or master's degree of recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with English medium and Hindi as a compulsory, and master's degree of recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with Hindi and English as a compulsory, and 3 years of experience. Okay, so these things are mentioned. Coming to the section officer, 35 years, bachelor's degree in any discipline, 3 years of experience is required. And coming to the assistant, 35 years age limit, and bachelor's degree from any recognized university in any bachelor's degree, 3 years of experience is required. And coming to the private secretary, any bachelor's degree, at least 3 years of experience is required. And coming to the personal assistant, any bachelor's degree, proficiency in stenography, proficiency in typing in English or Hindi, and knowledge of computers and the 2 years experience is required. And coming to the professional assistant, 35 years, master's degree in library or information, okay, science, and institute with 1 year of experience is required, or also bachelor's degree with these categories, qualifications. Coming to the Hindi translator, so almost same as the previous one what I already read. And security inspector, 32 years, so any bachelor's degree with 3 years of experience. And coming to the upper divisional clerk, any bachelor's degree, 2 years of experience as a LDC, and the typing speed is also required. And coming to the LDC, any bachelor's degree, English typing, proficiency in computer operations. And coming to the Hindi typist, so pass in 12th standard, 30 words per minute, knowledge of computer applications. Okay, so these are all the details, guys. And online applications will be accepted. Fine. So after filling up of the online application form, you need to submit the hard copy also. Candidates who wish to apply for more than one post, you have to submit the separate online application forms. And the last date, as I already told in the starting of this video. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you please go through once again all these things to get the accurate details. And if your requirement is not covered in this video, please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got any recruitment notification which is matching up with your subject or the requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,